This video is in response to an interesting request we got from one of our users who wanted to know whether it was possible to use team sharing to share custom data bespoke objects. A bit of background: team sharing was devised as a way of sharing adaptable objects like queries and calculated columns, layouts, reports, schedules, etc. But in fact, as we'll see here, you can also use it, as our user asked us, to share non-adaptable objects. So this is a demo which is in our documentation site, and as you can see, we have two users. We have Alice, who has a grid that looks like this, and Bob, whose grid looks like this. And what we can do is we can share just some custom data. So in this example, we're just sharing a number, but of course it can be anything. So if, as Alice, I increment that twice, so I've now got a local value of 2. If I go to Bob, his local value is 0 because nothing's been shared. Now, as Alice, I will now push this to team sharing, and that's using the team sharing API. So there we are. We can now see that the value in team share was 2, which was updated by Alice. And now, in fact, if I go to Bob, we will see this here. We will see his local value is 0, but he has 2 because that was what Alice did. If now Bob uses the team sharing API to get hold of that value, he can do that, and his local value is 2, which of course is the same as Alice. And now Bob can now himself increment it. So he's now incremented it to 8. Alice is still on 2, but if Bob pushes 8 to team sharing, we now see 8 has been updated by Bob, which of course is what Alice here now sees. So here we are. All we're sharing here is just a number, but hopefully it allows you to see that you can leverage team sharing to share anything at runtime between two users without needing any downtime, without needing to restart, without needing support or IT to get involved. As always, thank you for watching. If you'd like to know more about team sharing or Adaptable in general, please get in touch and we'll be happy to give you a personalized one-to-one demo, or in fact you can request a free, no obligation trial license so you can try out Adaptable yourself with your own data. We look forward to hearing from you.